It came without warning.
COVID-19.
Weltweit sind etwa 1400 Menschen infiziert.
It kills almost 500,000 people a year.
Doctors using the polio virus to treat aggressive brain tumors.
Changes often start small, sometimes even so small it can't be seen with the human eye. But in this invisible world lies the key to solutions for global healthcare challenges. Take this sample. It contains a virus, and you can be part of the team that develops the prevention and cure of the disease caused by this virus. Started as a small pioneering hub in the Netherlands, we now execute studies through our Global Processing Laboratories network. Let me show you what we do.
Right now we are at our kit building department. They are building kits for different projects for worldwide assembly. Different supplies are included in different kits, so it's always custom made for the different projects. We have a lot of young people working here, so the working culture is very nice to work in because a lot of people are involved in the new projects, feel the responsibilities there.
For me, DDL Viroclinics is my second family. It's a very close team. It's something that I never experienced in different positions which I had in the past, and I really like that. At our department, we sequence data for clinical trials. This data contains all information, and that information needs to be reported to customers. One day I'm busy with creating the DTA with a sponsor. The other day I'm building the template, which is to report those data to the customers. And in my company, there are a lot of people from India, Polish people, Yugoslavish people, from America. So it's very, very diverse. We're doing a lot of things together, even after works. So we're socializing. It's very active company, despite that we have different ages in company, from young to older. If you love science and you love helping people and have purpose in your life, then definitely this is a place to be.
My type of work is to make sure that we get the samples from the external parties and then we process them, analyze them, get the data, report the data, and then we give the data to the study directors. We try to make half the day in the lab and half the day in the office. And working in a company that is growing so fast is really nice because every month we get new challenges in a way, and we get also new insights on what is going on.
When I joined Viroclinics, we were with 50 employees and we are growing very fast. It's challenging working at Viroclinics because we're working with high volumes and that sometimes brings some pressure. The internal logistics team is responsible for the internal sample logistics. So we're receiving all the shipments that come in. We store the samples. To work in the team, you need to be very accurate. It can be physically challenging, and we're also having a lot of fun.
I work as a cell-based technician, which means that I perform cell-based assays involving influenza and SARS, and working with cell lines and antibodies. The best skill to have is to be able to adapt quickly, improvise on the spot, maybe just change pace, be moldable. Well, you're working with a purpose. You're helping develop vaccines, like help test them, and which can save lives in the end, or will save lives in the end. So I actually do like that part of it. You can learn a lot of different techniques. You can interswitch between positions if you want to, like go from cellular to molecular. You can develop yourself here. You can see what you want, what you want to expect, and you can also experience a business, a company.
Talent knows no boundaries. Are you ready to take the next step in your career? Become part of the Viroclinics-DDL team and have an impact on improving global health.